In this video, we will be talking about the styling of the content. So let's begin with this option, which is called HTML view as well as compose view. So currently we are at compose view. Here you need to just simply write. It is just like a document word only. Here you can simply type your content and do the changes using these all tools. And in the HTML view, uh, if you know the coding, if you know how to customize, you can customize according to your need. So here for that you need to simply click here this format HTML. So it will add indentation to it will give simply indentation to every code. So if you know how to code, you can simply customize from here only. Otherwise, you simply go to the compose view, and here according to your what content you can simply write and do the changes. And the next option is these are undo and redo option, and this is the font type. From here you can select whichever the font you like, and this is the text size. You want the text which size, maybe you want large, or maybe you want small for text size. And this option I have already shown you in the previous video. Here you can select the different header tags, and yeah, the different header tags for your content. And from here you can uh, do the give a bold to your particular text. You can also do the give the italic format, or you can the next option is underline. So through this option you can simply give underline to any particular text. So this is the next option is called strike through. The strike through is like let's suppose you want to give a strike in this number. So for that you need to simply click here. So it will give a strike to this particular number. So the next option is text color. So if uh, you want to change the text of this color of this text. So for that you need to simply select the text, and here you can change the color. So it will change. And now let's suppose you want to change the color of background color of this text. Basically for highlighting purpose you need to simply click here and select the color, and it will change the background of that color, so it will be look like it is highlighted. The next option is a link editor. So let's suppose this is the text you want to give a link for this text. So for that you need to simply click here and you can enter the link in this section. So for that, for explaining purpose, I'm going to use google.com, and here's the new two options are given. The first one is open this link in a new window. So when I select this, whenever somebody click on the link, a new tab will be open in the Chrome or any browser. And another option is add a no follow link. So here you can give the no follow links. When we select this, it will give a tag called no follow. So yeah, after done the changes, you need to simply click on apply. And there another option is called insert image. You can also give an image in your content. So for that I will select the image. I will click on upload from your computer, and I will choose a file. So for now I will select this file. So after selecting, Okay, it will be appear here. Now in the setting option we can change we can change any size you want. So right now I will select XL, X large. So I will, but before that there is two options called alt text and title text. In the title you can simply give the title of the image. So for example I'm gonna give voice SEO and the alt text. Alt text is most important in case of images, because any image through visually we can understood what the image is about, but the search engine can't. Search engine just know about the bunch of code. So through alt text we can simply give a tag like in the code format. Google can understand what the images is about. So this is for Google only. So I will here also I give voice SEO. So after done the changes, simply click on update and it will be updated. Okay, if you have video, you can directly embed your video through YouTube, or you can upload from your computer. The next option is here special character. So if you want to include any emoji in your content, or you can simply give from here, otherwise you can search also. So this is the next option is the text alignment. You want your content how it should align. So if we select the content and if we select this alignment, you can either left align, or you can central align, or you can right align. So in this way you can control. For now I will select left align. And there's the bullet. If you have points you can denote, no, you can give as a bullet points. And here's the code. So if you have any particular definition or any codes in your content, you can select this option. For example, let's suppose this is a particular this is a code, or this is a definition I want to give as a code. So for that I will select the particular text, and here I will click as code. So it will be uh, indicate as a codes only. And here if we click on the three dot, there is also option for selecting language. So for that I will select language as English only. English. Okay, so if everything is ready about your content, you can, or if you want to see how it is look, so you can click on preview, and it will create dummy text in the another, you can say dummy of your website in the another tab. So here you can see this is how your content will look in the website. So here whatever the changes that we have done, everything it will be show here. So here we have given the title, we have given the images, here we have highlighted the images and given the links. We have also bold the text and also give underline. Whatever the changes you have done, it will be show here only. This is the quotes option that we have given the particular text as a quotes. So in this way you can check. So after checking, you if you want to publish, you can simply click on publish and it will be published. So that's it, your content is published. And if we click on view blocks, and this is our first content in the website. and if we click in the content, this is our post. And if we click on labels, so our labels also given. So that's it. In the next video we will be talking about different labels, how to, or you can say stats, comments, and the rest of the options we will talk about. So thank you.